Guys, today I'm replacing the AC switch on this A4. So in order to replace this guy, we have to remove this one, the cover over here. I have to remove this cover first. Okay, so after you remove that cover, the switch is over here. So you're just gonna undo it. Okay, put it out the way. And grab a wrench and loosen this guy. So after that, just screw it with your hand, take it out. So if you see over here, this guy and this guy, right? So make sure they're the same thread. Yeah, good enough. Let me just show you guys something. So because there's actually a check valve in there, I don't know if you can see clearly, but there's a check valve in there, so you don't have to be afraid of the refrigerant escaping. And after that, just shove in the new sensor. Make sure that O-ring is lubed. So my O-ring, it looks okay, so I'm just gonna reuse it. So yeah, so just make sure you put it in by hand first. It should be fairly smooth. So after that, screw it by hand. When you bottom out, and then you grab the wrench. Just give it a little tiny bit. Just a little bit. You don't want to break that connector. So just a little bit. And put these guys back in. There. There. And there. Right there.